Hi guys, I'm back. We're doing real little sneakers. I became obsessed with these. I don't know if you can see. Can you guys see? All the skates that I got, and I just opened these, and they were the other ones I needed. So here we go. See what else we can get. Okay. Ooh. There we go. And I don't have these either. These are cute. There you go. You see them? Really cute. I like those. Okay. One more for right now, but I will definitely be back later. Here we go. Let's see. No dupes, no dupes. Oh, I don't have these either. No dupes. Yay. Here you go. Very cute. So that's it for right now, but I'll be back in a little while. Bye, guys.